And one bill is already paid, so we're going to go ahead and mark that off. And it's already been paid, so one down, many more to go. I'm gonna start doing Plan With Me every Sunday. It'll be out on Monday for the week, and since it's the first Sunday of the month, we're going to go ahead and fill out just my starting weights. I've gained weight since the holidays. 43. The book I will be reading is this one, The Tax Racket by Martin L. Gross. So, The Tax Racket is the book of the month. The important dates. I do plan on taking my sister Sissy and I lunch sometime this month. She has requested to go to a rabbit show on the 24th. I do need to put the 24th rabbit show. Rabbit show. Sissy. Because, for those that don't know, my sister does sell rabbits. She's a rabbitry. So she likes going to those. They're fun. I'm assuming this will be our first. I'm hoping they're fun. My other goals is work on Family Tree. I'm going to do a minimum of 1 hour a night. And that's going to be a Christmas gift from my mother, from my mama. For this year. My profit goal, because I do resell, is 200. And as for my minimum, I'm already $20 in, so that's only 180 more to go, and we're only on the 4th day of the month, so it's not too bad. It's totally doable. I'm hoping that this is so low that I'll overgo, but if not, this is the base. And to wake up by 9 every day. So that's the overall goal. And I'm going to, well, I already said I'm going to do a video a week for that, and then every paid period, since we have 3, I'll be doing 3 cash stuffing videos, 4 planner videos, and 31 inspo quotes for shorts. And then starting the 15th, I'm going to start a savings challenge. Save $1 for every new subscriber. And that will happen here. The first few are gonna suck right now. I'm sorry. I know I have to take someone to the doctor this month. I'm not sure who, if it's my mom or my sister. So that'll have to go on there eventually. Pretty much all I have so far. But yeah, it's just a short, I guess, planner video, because I don't have anything else to say. Thanks for watching.